how to connect Sony remote controller. So basically I have got a Sony A7 IV. It did not come with any remote or controller, but I have this particular remote control which is actually connected to my current device I'm recording from, and I have disconnected that. But the good thing is that since this is a Sony remote itself, I can connect this to any of the other Sony cameras as long as they are Sony and that they have a Bluetooth function. Now over here you can see, first of all, I'm going to turn my camera on and it's not currently connected. So if I press the movie, it doesn't record or it doesn't do anything. You can see nothing happens, but it is turned on but it's not connected. So what to do if you want to connect this remote to this other camera? So what we do is, on your Sony camera, you first of all you go to menu, and from menu on the left hand side you go to this network section, right? So I'm sure you can do this. You can use this dial pad to navigate, and once you come to this network section, first of all go to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth function is enabled. And once you go to Bluetooth, we're going to come back and go to transfer/remote, and we're going to go to Bluetooth remote control, and we're going to go ahead and then turn this on. It will ask us to pair our remote. Now our remote will not show up just like that. We have to put this in pairing mode manually. To put this in pairing mode, you can see this photo button and this up button which says T, which is used to zoom out, right? So we go ahead and press this up button as well as the photo button simultaneously for a couple of seconds and hold them. When we hold them, on the left hand side, we'll just wait and see if we can see that particular remote. So we'll just have to wait and see. And now you can see I received a notification. It's saying, do you want to connect with the device? I'll just press OK and it will perform the pairing. Now that it's done pairing, right? So let me just show you. It says connected and Bluetooth remote control is also turned on. So I'm just going to come back like this. Now I can just see, if I just press this remote, it's begin recording. I can stop it. I can take a picture as well, but it has to be in picture mode, and I can go ahead and press it and I can stop the recording. This is how it works and how you can connect a Sony Bluetooth control. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.